What can help us to forgive other people? In Ephesians chapter 4, verse 32, it says, "Be kind to one another, be tenderhearted with one another, forgive each other just as Christ in God has forgiven you." Well, in this life, we can give away what we have. If we have a sense of peace, if we have a heart, which is that center part of us and the grace of God going through that place, then we can give it away. It becomes very difficult, of course, and depending on how well we've been hurt, or perhaps someone hurt the people that we love, forgiveness certainly can be quite the challenge. But the more that we allow God to work in our own life from within, the stronger that we will be able to apply grace outside of ourselves. There's a reason that people do what they do to us that may have hurt us, where we need to apply forgiveness, that once we understand ourselves, we can also understand them. Not that it's okay what they did, but everybody needs grace. And we can give grace away and experience the freedom that God gives us with it, because of what Jesus Christ has done, bringing us grace deep within our hearts, forgiving us and bringing us to a new place of righteousness. I hope this video has been helpful for you, but in any case, as we say, Salem Aleichem, the paz de Dios en tu viaje, God's peace be with you, your journey.